This is a Whirlpool D25 water cooler. It was leaking even with the jug off through this spigot here, and I suspected it was full of calcium, so I flushed it with vinegar in a solution of water for many gallons, and it never freed it. So we read that you could stick a wire or something up there, but I used this water pick with a full receptacle of water mixed with the vinegar solution, and that eventually blew off all of the calcium in there. Now if you want to do regular cleaning, I recommend you just pour half a cup of vinegar in here. The receptacle in there has about 2 quarts of water, so I have 2-quart container that I just keep doing over and over. This is for regular cleaning, with a credit card in there. Drain it all out. This keeps it going. Pull the credit card out when it's full. Make sure you only have your container so that you can leave it and let it fill up. Then come back when it's empty, pour it back in. You can even heat this water. I heated mine to about 110 degrees. Did it over and over to try to clean it. I think that's good for regular maintenance. So use the water pick if it's stubborn and won't clean out. If you've got it leaking, then it's probably stubborn, but I would routinely clean it and flush it with vinegar to keep it so it doesn't need the water pick.